gorgeous glam crew. I am so happy to see you today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and we're going to paint some tips today. So, I just wanted to play the other day, right? I didn't have anything in mind. I just knew I wanted to practice my ombreing, and I wanted to play with my new stickers that I got back a few weeks ago before I moved. So, excuse me. I had not really had a lot of time to play with them. And I thought, you know what? Let's just play with them. And if I'm working, I'm filming. So I just started the camera. And I thought they were cute enough to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and do this. We are ombreing a very bright pink with a very bright yellow. And I love that color combination. I think yellow and pink are fabulous together. We are heading into the summer season, and so I thought it was a wonderful way to just express how freaking hot it is outside. I've moved to Las Vegas, and it's already 100 some of the days. So today it's not going to quite get that hot. We're going to be right around 90, but that's still pretty hot to me. So we're going to express that heat today with some really hot fiery nails. This yellow to pink ombre is just what the doctor ordered for this kind of weather. If it's not hot where you are, know this, I'm super jelly. I love nice cool weather. But I have to say, my new apartment has some swamp cooler. It has a swamp cooler. So what? That is so nice. It's very cold. And it keeps the house a little more humid than outside, which is very dry. So I'm going to say me and my skin are loving that. So if you've not had a swamp cooler, give one a try. It's really nice. So there you go. My ombreing skills, guys, are getting better. But they're still not perfect. But I love how this pink and yellow turn to almost an orangey color in between, so you get sort of a tri-color effect with the yellow and the pink. I think it's super awesome. You're going to cure that for 60 seconds and then repeat the process, which I will not show you here today. I usually don't show you second coats because why? Why do you want to see that again? If you do want to see it again, let me know. I can always appease you for that, 100%. So what we're going to do is grab up this sticker. It is a butterfly tattoo looking sticker. And that's what these really remind me of, are tattoo inspired nails. I absolutely love tattoos. Have a few myself. And I love how these look very tattoo-like. I think they are super, super cute. I did these kind of just, like I said, I was playing around. I just wanted to play around. And so I didn't really think too much about adding any more embellishments. But honestly, I think a few more things on these nails would really bring them more to life. So we're definitely going to play with this concept again in the future. But I'm not upset with them. I think they're really pretty. But I think a embedded glitter nail with some tattooed inspired stickers or art on top would be pretty. So look forward to that coming up. Honestly, that's going to happen. And if all goes as it's supposed to go today, something is being delivered, and we're going to do a really fun video for Wednesday. And then we'll talk more about encapsulating things later, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So there's that. So now what I'm doing is just using this little brush. I hadn't addressed that. I'm sorry. I should have mentioned. I don't really have a silicone tool or anything, but this is a super soft makeup brush, and I'm not rubbing. I'm just pressing to make sure that any bubbles get pressed out and that it's laying nice and flat. So if you have a nice soft brush, that works really well for that. But nothing super stiff because you don't want to break your sticker, right? Now these line ones, I thought they looked kind of like an arm tattoo, like a band around your arm or your leg. So that's why I chose that. I just think it came out really super cute. So this is a little top coat. Today we're using the Morovan top coat. Oh, and the polish we used on this was Beetles. That macaroon collection. that I won from that little contest, which was so fun. I want to win another contest. But we are hitting it with the top coat. Like I said, the Morovan. Then we're going to hit that into the lamp for a full 60-second cure. And I did go ahead and do 2 top coats because you just don't want those stickers to have any chance to peel up. So this is the finished set, guys. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.